What's the meaning of cut and dried? Cut and dried. Cut and dried.
Cut and dried. Cut and dried. The term cut and dried is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation that is already decided and lacks any additional options or variations. It usually refers to an outcome that has already been determined or a plan that has been finalized and no changes can be made. This phrase is often associated with a sense of predictability and lack of excitement. It can also suggest a feeling of inevitability, where the outcome is almost certain and there is little chance of deviation from the expected result.